you're trying to figure out tonight's dinner and wonder, can I marinate frozen chicken? Well, the answer is yes, but here's how to do it. Now guys, here I have a frozen chicken breast, and in this jar, I have my favorite chicken marinade. I'm gonna place the chicken in the zip bag and pour the marinade in. Now the important part is that this bag goes in the refrigerator to both thaw and marinate at the same time. Please don't leave it on the counter to marinate and defrost, because that's a recipe for chicken disaster. By the way, if you find videos like this helpful, give this a thumbs up. It lets me know to make more of them on my channel. It will take 24 hours or more for it to thaw out in the fridge, and when it does, you will see that the thawing juices and the marinade are now in the same bag. That liquid must be thrown out, and the chicken has got to be cooked immediately. If what you want to do is meal prep and throw frozen chicken in a bag plus the marinade, and then you think that it will be ready to go when you need it, that's just not gonna happen. The chicken breast will be frozen and the marinade will freeze around it, and never infuse your chicken with flavor. If that's the case, make sure to check out my video on how to first marinate your chicken and then freeze your chicken breast, which I will link below. However, I imagine that you have a frozen chicken breast right now and you want to cook it and you want to thaw it with a delicious marinade. So make sure to check out this video next so you can thaw your chicken fast. By the way, let me know in the comments below your chicken dilemmas. I love making videos like this one for you. See you next time.